In this video, I'll be sharing my honest experience with Demodesk, a virtual sales meeting platform designed to enhance online demos and presentations. From the outset, Demodesk impressed me with its intuitive interface and robust feature set. One standout aspect is its AI-powered tools, which offer real-time transcription, automated note-taking and personalized coaching after each call. This automation significantly reduces administrative tasks, allowing sales teams to focus more on client engagement. The platform's seamless integration with major CRM systems like Salesforce and HubSpot further streamlines workflow by automatically syncing meeting insights and follow-ups. Additionally, Demodesk's customizable virtual meeting environment, complete with interactive screen sharing and real-time collaboration tools, provides a professional and engaging experience for both presenters and participants. However, it's worth noting that while Demodesk offers a comprehensive suite of features, its pricing may be a consideration for smaller teams or businesses with limited budgets. The platform's various plans cater to different needs, with the coaching and AI plan priced at €49 per user per month, offering advanced AI capabilities for sales coaching and analytics. Overall, Demodesk stands out as a powerful tool for sales teams seeking to optimize their virtual meetings and improve performance through AI-driven insights. If you're interested in learning more about Demodesk and how it can benefit your sales process, don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and updates.